Look at the mountains.
I can't see them.
Yeah.
It is pouring. Desert rain. It's crazy. Well, yeah, I guess like you said, the cars are clean.
Yep.